Please don't make fun of my bare face during this. I know it's shocking to all of you. So I made the decision of spending my money for you. Yes, you in there, for you, little person in my camera. No, to give an honest review on this, because I hate the TikTok shop personally, because it seems like everybody is basically getting sponsored on there to sell you some shit. And they're like, link down below, look at the link, and look at all the crazy shit I have. So I bought the Colourpop mystery box. I spent $48 with it on sale. We're gonna see if it was worth it. I will say I'm kind of a little sad that it's just regular packaging, mostly because my mom used to get like a shit ton of mystery boxes. And I kid you not, that shit was like an advertisement in itself when you'd open the box, where they're like, buy our shit. So I did open it. I did kind of look through it a little bit, but I didn't mess with the packaging. I was just bored waiting for my meds today. So we're unboxing. And it's not going to be aesthetically pleasing unboxing. Sorry. I don't know how to do that shit. Probably not going to learn how. A lot of fucking bubble wrap. A lot of bubble wrap. Ugh. A lot of fucking bubble. Jesus Christ. First item is the Baby Got Peach, which is a mini eyeshadow palette. I don't know if they count this as a full. I will be putting the price of everything in post, so you guys can like see the price, and I'll total it all up to see if it was worth it or not. So that's what comes in it. A lot of cute nudies and pinks. I don't know. Cute. I like it. I like that glitter right up here. I like that it's like, it's a white glitter, but it has kind of like a gold, like, I don't know if you guys see, like, shimmer effect. I fuck with that. It looks good on my skin, so I definitely will be keep. Some of these, when I say keep, it just means my friends or my mom or my roommate, Danny, will get to go through it and decide if they want it or not. And usually someone always wants something. Let's see, 2 eyeshadows. These are single palettes, I want to say, is what they're called. As I say on here, Super Shock Shadow. Okay. Are they in the same color? Oh no, I got one in Drift. Oh, let me take that out of the package and I'll take that out. That color, pretty. Do a little swatchy. Okay. It's a color. Sorry, it's a color, yeah. And then 405, which looks like the same color to me. Maybe they swatch a little different, lighter. They'll go good together. That's a good pairing. It's a setting spray. It's a big setting spray. My setting sprays are like, last time I had one, it was like, this is a primer, but it was like that size, what I get from Elf. So it was much bigger. Holy shit. Clear spray. Smells like a setting spray. It's a good size. That's a huge. I thought these were going to be more like sample sizes, to be real. Everyone online was kind of just like fucking with us with the real sizes, but there's something. Primer. That's good because I'm out of mine. I'm assuming that's probably real, like a big size. This is a blotted, ultra blotted lip. I don't know a shade, but it's a dark shade. Canon Doctor. I guess that's the name. That's life. It's like a pretty, like purple. Ooh. That just came out like that. So, I'll clean that up later. Ooh, it's like a, what would you say that back in the old YouTube makeup days? Moody? It's a moody color. Isn't that what they called, like, more goth, like, tone? I would just say, like, dark, but, you know. It fell on my leg when I did that, so that's a good thing I have the... Cool. There you go. Well, that was a kind of a, little messy there on opening. Let's see. A lippy pencil. It actually says lippy. I don't know why that's funny to me. That's actually like, it's a lippy. Lip liner. Ah! Get out! Ooh. I don't like, this is just a personal thing with lip pencils. There's not a way to like more product in there. So that's like it. Unless I can't, I'm just dumb and I can't, oh. No, I don't think I can turn it. Or anything like that. If I'm done, let me know below. Maybe it's just stuck. And it's supposed to. But obviously that goes really well with the one they gave me. I guess they gave me a vibe. Caught a vibe. Sorry, that was cringe. A liquid blush. With Weightless Liquid Blush. I don't know if this is my color. I don't know. I hope they guessed I'm a very pale white bitch. Boop. And I'm gonna... That's it there with the dab. So now I'm gonna try to kind of like... That's really hard to open and close lid. I'm gonna dab it into the skin. Right there. Yeah! I think that'll work. Can't wait to wash my fucking arm after this. This is the Fresh Kiss Glossy Lip Balm in Caramel Latte. A lot of neutrals. They're like, let's play it safe. Neutrals. The package I'm gonna have to rip open. Ah, there we go. Why? Why? Just let me have it. There. Alright. I'll just put this on. Like, oh. What's going on these? Like those older style like ones. I'm so used to everything being like a wand now. Oh, it smells like a caramel latte. I could probably just sniff on this all day. You know, just like fucking like... Shadow stick, which I'm guessing like eyeshadow then. Give me a sign, matte. Oh yeah, little eyeshadow stick. I remember these. My mom had a shit ton of these growing up. And like a brown. I'll probably use that for a base. That's actually really nice. Cream gel lighter in a very... Look at that green. A wild idea. Here's a wild idea. We'll give her all like peachy neutrals and stuff, and then we throw in a green eyeliner. You know what? I kind of fucks with that idea. That's fun. I've had one of these before, actually, and I do love these pencils. I had like the blue to purple one of these. My only thing is that these, after a certain point, when you get closer to like the very end of them, they fall apart super easy. That's just my opinion. But yeah. I was actually gonna get this one originally, but they were out when I first was looking at these. Nope, that way, dumbass. A little more green. You know, that will look great on me because I'm a redhead. They were like, vibe. Probably a ginger bitch. Maybe. Alright, I'm back. That took me a bunch of math because I was trying to make sure I added it right. Because I honestly thought I wasn't, to be real. Which is crazy that I'm saying that, because I was like genuinely going like, I saw everything I was getting was on sale, so I had to do the sale price and then the regular price, so I'm like, oh my god, did they just give me a bunch of shit that's on sale and then it's not actually worth this? Boy, was I wrong. I was very wrong. So the mystery surprise birthday box on their website is $49. Now, I did through the TikTok shop because I've been keeping my eye on the price. When I first saw it was like $60, then I thought it was like $59 at one point. And I got it for $48. So I'm like, okay, it's technically cheaper if I go through the TikTok shop. I was already ordering something else. You know, let's try it out, see how it works. So I did the math. And for everything that's currently I got is on sale on their website. I will say that. It is on sale. They gave me a bunch of their items that are on sale. Maybe a majority of the site's on sale right now. I do not know. But what I got for the sale price was $78.75, which, you know, beep boop beep, doing math here. That's what, like, I saved $30 and odd cents. I forgot to do that math for it. Beep boop. It's $30.75, which $30. Hey, I'm cool with saving that. Now, if I got this box and the stuff wasn't on sale and with its regular price, which was $98, I would have still saved $50. Not gonna argue or complain about that. Both are very good, you know, saving price points, which I was very happy to find out I actually did save some money through doing this. I thought it was gonna be like one of those mystery boxes, like Ipsy or one of those, where you kind of save money. but then it's a bunch of like the sample stuff. This is all genuinely their full-size shit, I will say. I looked it up, looked up the prices, looked up the things. I could not find this 405. I could not find it on the website. I found it on like Poshmark and other places like this. I don't know if this is like a rare color, and y'all are gonna kill me in the comments for having it. If that's the case, I'm joking. But also, yeah, get I don't know. Maybe try your hand at getting it too. So I'm now going to do a full face of makeup and see if I like a lot of the products. Do the products look good on me? I don't know where I'm going to try to incorporate this green cream liner because it gave me a lot of nudies for that. So I don't know. Excuse me. Oh. Well, that was easy.